Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, friends of fine art prints, and a special welcome to the friends of Artelino. What is Artelino? Oh, little family company, small family company, located in wonderful Bavaria in southern Germany. Well, I'm the owner, sorry. And we've sold fine art prints, mostly Japanese prints, or with a Japanese touch, in online auctions since 2001. And today, I want to begin this little video with a question. Do you like birds? Birdies. Well, many people like birds, yeah. And many people like art that shows bird subjects. It's actually a rather large community. And if you're one of those or want to discover wonderful bird prints, I may have a fantastic artist for you in our auctions. His name is Erik van Ommen, and he's Dutch. And in my view, he's worldwide in this, especially in this technique, Japanese-style woodblock printmaking. He's definitely worldwide, technically and artistically, one of the best. And he has a large collector community, and currently he's practically sold out. And recently I was so happy to get another, however, very small consignment by him. I think just 6 or 8 prints. And okay, now stop with talking. And we show you a short slideshow of these prints that will now be available in our online auctions. And I will relax a little bit in the meantime. Well, see you soon, and don't go away. I hope. No, I don't hope. I guess. No, I don't guess. I'm sure that you enjoyed these wonderful images. I expect that from you. And now, my friends, I want to talk a little bit, in case you should never have heard about Erik van Ommen. I want to talk a little bit about the artist. Not knowing about Erik van Ommen is really a gap in your education, but don't become desperate. We are now going to close this gap. Erik van Ommen was born in 1956 in the Netherlands. When he was only 8 years old, he began painting birds. And when he was 12 years old, he began bird watching, a habit which he still follows today. He goes out into nature, sometimes equipped with a camera, but always with the sketch book, and watches birds and tries to sketch birds in their natural environment. He has a formal education in fine arts. In 1983, Erik van Ommen graduated from the Academy of Fine Arts of Groningen, also in the Netherlands. Netherlands is that little small country where everything is flat. In case you should never have heard about the Netherlands. I think I already mentioned Erik van Ommen. The technique he uses is this Japanese-style woodblock printmaking, but not only, he also works in linocuts. And I want to mention something. For these die-hard woodblock print collectors who adore so much the Japanese woodblock printmaking technique, you adore this for good reason. But please do not underestimate linocuts. For me personally, lino cuts, I discovered that relatively late, is practically on the same technical level like woodblock printmaking. Last thing I want to mention about Erik van Ommen, he is also the author of many, many books about birds. Erik van Ommen is one of those artists who consign directly to us. We cooperate directly with him. They send us their prints and we try to sell them. And I found him by chance last year. And by the way, funny, he's very much in demand by collectors, and currently he's practically sold out. So I can be glad that I got this second consignment now by Erik. But when we offered him the first time, in the first auction, we had offered 2 or 3 from his portfolio. Nobody had placed a bid on these prints, and I was completely disappointed. I thought, hey, what's with my clients? Okay, don't they know anymore, or what's good on? But pretty much that changed, and now the community of collectors of his wonderful, lovely prints is growing more and more. And by the way, yeah, I'm always talking about bird prints. Yeah, this is a polar bear. And it's one of the designs that he had sent to us among these 6, or I think he had sent 8 prints to us, and they will be sold pretty soon out. And that's one of us, and I like it so much because this polar bear, he's so cute. Yeah, I like polar bears. Yeah, if I should ever encounter one, probably then I wouldn't be so enthusiastic anymore. I would maybe not consider them so cute, but here on the image, wow, wonderful. I'm a little bit deviating from this subject. The subject is nearly already finished. It's about these wonderful, mesmerizing bird prints by Erik van Ommen. And where can you buy them? Of course, in our auctions. I already mentioned them. I already mentioned that he's one of these, what we call direct artists. Yeah, they send us their prints and we sell them for them. There is no collector or dealer in between. And today is March 19th. Our weekly auction ends tomorrow. I think we have 1 or 2 prints by him in the current auction. And I want to take this opportunity now to make a comment about the reserves, the price for which we offer it. This reserve is the minimum bid you have to place to become the winner. And sometimes in auctions, you may expect it that this reserve is very much below the actual retail price. That is not always the case. And for these contemporary artists who work directly with us, we fix the reserve roughly on the retail price level or slightly below. When you use our early bird bonus, you're below it. You must imagine these artists, they work with galleries. Yeah, many have their own website and sell directly from their website. So if we offer them, we would ruin their gallery connections and their gallery sales, and that makes no sense. I'm just mentioning this for reasons of fairness. Yeah, often I can watch crazy dogfights where 2 people who have too much money or lose control bid each other to crazy levels. If you do that, it's fine. Yeah, okay. But I want you to know that the reserve is roughly on the level of retail sales, and we identify that with a little red heart icon attached next to the catalog image. So please remember that. Whenever you see this little red heart, you know, this is a direct artist who cooperates directly with Artelino. and then remember, okay, how we fix the prices for that. All right, thanks for watching. Enough for today. Have a good week, and I would be pleased to see you for our next video.